How to add clock widget to iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Wallpaper option and tap on it. This section lets you manage and customize your lock screen and home screen wallpapers. On the wallpaper screen, tap on the Customize button under your current lock screen preview. This will take you to the lock screen editor. Here, tap on the widget area located directly below the time. Scroll through the list of available apps and tap on Clock. You will see various widget styles, simply tap the one you prefer to add it. Once you are done, tap on Done at the top right corner to save your new layout. You have now successfully added this widget to your lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily add a clock widget to your iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.